Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on replacing the panel and lid seal of your Thermomix TM31. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this procedure. First, you will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have these handy before we dive in. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety while working. Once it's unplugged, carefully remove the bowl from the base. Set it aside on a clean surface. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and locate the screws on the back panel of the device. There are 4 screws to remove. Be sure to keep them in a safe place so you can easily find them later. With the screws removed, gently pull the back panel away from the unit. You may need to wiggle it slightly to release it from the clips. Once the back panel is off, you can see the internal components of your Thermomix. Here, you may want to take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside to maintain optimal performance. Next, locate the old lid seal. This is crucial as a worn-out seal can lead to leaks during operation. Gently peel it away from the lid, being careful not to damage the surface. Clean the area where the seal was attached with a soft cloth to ensure the new seal adheres properly. Now, let's install the new lid seal. Align it carefully and press it into place, ensuring it's secure all around the lid. If you're unsure about the condition of your Thermomix, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help you identify any other potential issues that may need fixing. After the seal is installed, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it with the clips and gently press it back into place. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the plastic. Now, let's address the panel replacement. If your panel is damaged or malfunctioning, you'll need to disconnect the wiring. Carefully unplug the connectors, taking note of their placements for reinstallation. Install the new panel by reversing the process. Connect the wires as they were originally, ensuring a snug fit. As you finish up, take a moment to clean any remaining dust or fingerprints from the exterior. A clean appliance not only looks good but also functions better. If you find this process challenging or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, eliminating the need for you to travel or make calls. This service is designed for your convenience. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and perform a quick test to ensure everything is working correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. Your Thermomix TM31 should now be in excellent working condition with a new panel and lid seal. Enjoy your cooking. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.